Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Hey, today I'd like to talk a little bit about Phoibus's Nebula automatic sports watch. Very nice watch. This is the blue and gold version. There are a bunch of different color combinations for this watch. I'll leave a link to their webpage below so you can check those out for sure. The reference number to this guy is PY030C, and this does have a 316L stainless steel case, very nicely brushed on each side of the case, and brushing along the fixed bezel there. You can see does have some polishing on the beveled edge running down each side of the case. Eye-catching, looks really great. The only other polishing you're going to see are the center links on this beautiful Jubilee bracelet they added to the watch. This watch does have a screw-down case back with the Phoibus logo on it. Some good information on there, automatic, the water resistant, and other info for you there. Also has a screw-down crown with the Phoibus logo on it. I like that Phoibus logo, really good job. This watch does have a flat sapphire crystal with 3 layers of anti-reflective coating underneath it. And you know, the flat sapphire crystal in itself just really cuts down on the reflection, so that's a big plus right there. Those two combos together really help out a lot. This is called a gradient vertical brushed black dial blue sandwich dial. So let me bring this up a little bit closer for you. You can see it. Very nice. You can see the brushing vertically there, up and down, and you can see the sandwich dial. If you look at any of the numbers there, 1, 2, 3 o'clock position, you can see there is another layer to this watch. Really beautiful. They used another type of radium lume on the lower dial, so it gives it that kind of patina look to it. So very cool looking for sure. Phoibus logo right below the 12 o'clock position, boxed out date window right above the 6 o'clock position, and that second hand running right out to the edge. Looks really good, polished, hand set, very well done indeed. I'm going to throw a Lume shot up for you there. I mean, this Lume is really killer. 15 layers of Super-LumiNova Old Radium Lume on the hands and lower dial, and there's 15 layers of Super-LumiNova BGW9 on the upper dial, and dots there at each indice. That marks each indice with a dot at the edge there. Beautiful Lume for sure. This guy is running a really super thin, solid movement, Miyota 9015 high beat movement. So that's a big plus. You get a high quality movement with this cool looking watch. Great combo. This does have a 20 millimeter stainless steel Jubilee bracelet with it. Very nicely done with screw down end links. You gotta love that. I mean, this just is a higher quality micro brand for sure. Also has really nice clasp, 3 folding clasp, double push button clasp, and that's done very well also. Another thing you gotta like about this watch, they add some micro adjustments there so you can fine tune it to your wrist. That's a big plus. This watch is 500 feet or 150 meters water resistant. So that's really cool for a sports watch. You don't have to worry about jumping in the pool with that at all. Hey, let's get into some specs. The case size to this watch from side to side is 40 millimeters, 11 millimeters thickness, 20 millimeter bandwidth, and 46 millimeters lug to lug. Hey, let's get this on my wrist for a wrist shot. All right, guys, there you have it on my 7-inch wrist, looking really good. This Jubilee bracelet feels really nice. Phoibus logo on the clasp there. Just an overall good looking watch and good feeling watch on the wrist. I did fail to say right above the date window at 6 o'clock position, it does give the wood resistance and it says automatic there also. So hey, that's my short look at the Phoibus Nebula sports watch. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like the channel and content, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And as always, stay well.